What role does a teacher play in the personality development of a student? This is a question that was recently put to me by one of my students who is now a teacher herself. This was an interesting question, and this led me to have a reflection with reference to my own personality development over the years as a student at the school, college, and university levels. So we will briefly respond to this question. First of all, let us refer to some inspirational quotes by some inspiring intellectuals. So the first one is, "A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops." Now, this is a very deep and profound quotation by Henry Adams that just indicates the importance of the role of teachers in his or her students' lives. Then this other one where Josh Shipp says, "Every kid is one caring adult away from being a success story." And you can also say every kid is one adult away or non-caring adult away from being a failure story. This adult could be a teacher, or this could be a parent or someone else who has got the responsibility of the personality development or care of the child or the student. Then Anatole France says 9/10 of education is encouragement, which actually refers to the positive role that a teacher or an educator can play in terms of the provision of quality education to young children or young kids. Then I touch the future. I am a teacher. Krista McAuliffe. This again indicates the importance of the role of teacher in terms of shaping the futures of student, child. It is therefore very important that the profession of teaching is something that needs to be taken very seriously, and only the best suited people who are devoted to the profession of teaching, people who are devoted to making change in the people of the young people, the young generations, and people who want to see a better world should actually be brought into the teaching profession.